Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly captivating instrument, the OcarinaWind handpan. This particular model, the HP 11-1 Black, immediately catches the eye with its sleek black finish and substantial presence. Measuring 22.8 inches in diameter and standing 10 inches high, it's a significant piece of musical artistry that promises a rich auditory experience. Crafted from durable alloy steel, this handpan feels incredibly robust and well-made, suggesting it's built to last and withstand the rigors of regular play. But of course, with an instrument like this, the sound is paramount. The OcarinaWind handpan is tuned to 8D minor scale, offering a beautiful, resonant, and somewhat melancholic tonal landscape. It features a generous 11 notes, specifically D3, A3, B3B, C4, D4, E4, F4, G4, F4, C5, and D5. This extensive range allows for a wide variety of melodic expressions and harmonic possibilities, making it suitable for both seasoned players and those just beginning their handpan journey. One of the most impressive aspects highlighted about this instrument is its sound quality. We're told that all notes exhibit excellent resonance vibration, which is crucial for a handpan to truly sing. Furthermore, each note is meticulously checked with a tuner to ensure minimum possible fluctuations, guaranteeing that the instrument remains perfectly in tune at 440 Hz. This attention to detail in tuning and resonance means that every strike produces a clear, sustained, and harmonious tone, creating an immersive and meditative soundscape. Beyond the instrument itself, the OcarinaWind handpan comes complete with a soft handpan bag. This inclusion is a thoughtful touch, providing essential protection for the instrument during transport and storage, and adding significant value to the overall package. It also reinforces the idea that this handpan is not just a purchase for oneself, but an excellent gift idea for anyone with an appreciation for unique musical instruments or a desire to explore new sonic territories. The combination of its striking appearance, robust construction, exceptional sound quality, and thoughtful accessories truly positions the OcarinaWind handpan as a standout option in its category. It's an instrument designed to inspire and delight, offering a profound connection through its beautiful vibrations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.